In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the status in Jira. If you're new to Jira, or maybe you're just looking to make some changes to your existing workflows, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you'll have no trouble managing your tasks more efficiently. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to head over to your project. This is where all the magic happens. Once you are in your project page, look for the three dots, often referred to as the More Options button, usually located in the upper area of your screen. Click on it, and a drop-down menu should appear. From this menu, you'll need to select Project Settings. This section of Jira allows you to customize a variety of things in your project, including issues and workflows. Next, you'll be navigating to the issue types. This is where you control how different issues are handled within your project. Think of this area as the foundation of organizing your work. By defining issue types, you get a clear structure, making it easier to manage different tasks. Once you've opened this section, you'll see a list of all the issue types currently set up for your project. Now select the specific issue type you wish to edit. This is crucial since different types may have different workflows, and you want to ensure you're making changes to the correct one. Once selected, look for the option that says Edit Workflow. Selecting this option will take you to the Workflow Editor. The Workflow Editor is where you can visually see all the statuses and transitions defined for this issue type. It may look a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, we're here to focus on changing a status. Find the status you need to change and click on it. This action will open up its details in a panel on the right side of your screen. In this details panel, you'll spot a pencil icon which signifies edit options. Clicking on this icon allows you to modify the name or the category of your selected status. This is handy when you need a name that's more descriptive or when reorganizing the flow of tasks within your project. Once you're satisfied with the changes, you'll need to click on Update to apply them, but that's not all. To ensure your changes are saved to the overall workflow, you'll need to click on Update Workflow. This final step is essential because it commits all modifications you've made so far. Remember, keeping your workflow updated ensures your team is always on the same page, enhancing productivity and communication. So, there you have it. That's how you change the status in Jira, ensuring your project workflows remain flexible and tailored to your team's needs. If you have any questions or tips on how you manage workflows in Jira, feel free to share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy project managing.